Hello everyone, welcome to Breakout stock analysis for the swing trade or short-term trade with the trending analysis and buying opportunity level. In this video, we are going to discuss about three stocks. One is Coal India, the second is Indian Railways Finance Corporation, third one is Indusind Bank. So we'll see what are the buying levels and support zones for this stock. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. Let's get into the video. So the stock ones is Coal India. As we see, the stock Coal India stock is been trading in the support zone for the short term, and it's been currently breaking its 20 days moving average currently. If you have been a short term trader, you can enter above 510 level and you can accumulate till 500 rupees. The target for this stock is 535, stop loss is 465, where its support is been there. If it is breaking 465, then it will be a fall from there. That's why we are currently seeing a good trend up move for the Coal India. So it is a good for the short term stock. So the current market price is 498.30, 52 week high is 543, 52 week low is 302. PE stands at 8.56, where the sector PE is 12.67. So it's much better PE comparing to the sector PE. Dividend yield is also massive, it is 4.97%. So this stock is very good for the consideration of a swing trade for the in the near term. So next stock is Irfc, which is falling under the railway sector. The stock is currently moving again from its trend reversal from its major support zone, which is 143 levels. So the stock have taken multiple times support at 143 levels, and from there the stock is trend reversed now, and one have to wait for the level of crossing 155 to enter for the short term, and you can enter at till 150. The target for this stock is 162.4575 for the short term. Current market price is 151.35, 52 week high is 229, 52 week low is 65.75, where the PE stands at 30.89, the sector PE stands at 15.27. So as mentioned, one have to wait for the breakout level of 155. If it is crossed 155 decisively and closed above 20-day moving average, then the stock have a upside potential to the target of 162.75. The third stock is Indusind Bank, which is under banking sector. The stock is also taking trend reversing at its major support level, which is around the range of 1350, where we have seen it have taken a multiple times support since January at this level. So today we have seen a trend reversal and it moved around 1.70%. So the current entry level is good for entry for the short term. So the entry price of this stock is 1365. You can add till 1330, which is a crucial support of the current support level. And the target for this stock is 1433.25. 1263 is the next crucial support level where the stop loss is kept over there. Current market price is 1370.45. 52 week high is 1694. 52 week low is 1329. PE stands at 11.63, where the sector PE remains the same at 11.41. We know the banking sector stocks PE will be always low. So this is about the Indusind Bank. I hope all the three stocks will be beneficial for you for the short-term swing trade. These all stocks are been on my own analysis with the super trend which I am following. If you benefit of this video or the calls, you can input your comments over here. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This video is for educational purpose only. Thank you. Stay safe, investor.